Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best SBC Rebuild Kit is probably one of the most sought-after engine restoration solutions for both seasoned mechanics and passionate DIYers looking to breathe new life into their small block Chevy engines. This video will guide you through the essential components, factors to consider when choosing a kit, and provide insights into making an informed decision based on your specific needs and project scope, ensuring a successful rebuild. Number 5. Master Engine Kit SBC 350. This kit provides everything needed for a thorough engine refresh. It's built with high-quality components, ensuring a long-lasting result. It uses only parts from reputable manufacturers with robust quality systems. You can trust in its reliability and performance. The kit contains a full gasket set, pistons, rings, bearings, timing set, oil pump, camshaft, lifters, freeze plugs, and valve stem seals. Everything you need for a complete rebuild. Choose your preferred size for pistons, rings, and bearings from the available options. Let us know your selection after ordering. This kit includes a Stage 2 HP camshaft for increased power and performance. It's a great way to revitalize your engine. The images accurately reflect the parts you'll receive. While not all parts may be shown, we always showcase the main components. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us. We aim to respond within one business day. What we like. This kit boasts superior components sourced from top-tier manufacturers, ensuring lasting performance. It's a comprehensive solution, including everything you need for a thorough rebuild. If you're aiming for a significant horsepower boost with a reliable build, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The kit was a very good rebuild kit. Has 90% of what is needed for a lower-end rebuild. Everything was what it should have been. It was used in a 67 Chevelle 355 rebuild. So far so good. It looks to be a quality product. Number 4. Chevy 350 Engine Kit. This kit provides everything you need for a complete rearing of your engine. It's designed for a perfect fit and includes all the necessary components for a smooth installation. You'll find all the essential bearings, gaskets, and seals included. This ensures a comprehensive rebuild, saving you time and effort. It's specifically designed for 1969 to 1985 Chevrolet 350 small block V8 engines. This ensures a precise and reliable fit for your classic Chevy. We offer various oversized options to accommodate different engine wear. Contact us before ordering to confirm availability. If you don't specify an oversized option, we'll ship the standard size. This is the most common size and works for many applications. This kit is designed for straightforward installation, making your engine rebuild project simpler. Detailed instructions are recommended for proper installation. What we like. It's a focused solution for a rearing overhaul, providing essential components for a reliable rebuild. This kit ensures a smooth and efficient engine operation. If you need a straightforward and cost-effective way to refresh your Chevy 350, this is the ideal option. What people say. Worked fine for a stock 350 rebuild. Worked perfect on 1969 350. As advertised. Number 3. Master Engine Kit SBC 350. This kit is designed for a classic muscle car engine. It's perfect for restoring your vehicle to its former glory. It features a high-performance camshaft. This will give you increased horsepower and torque. The kit includes flat-top pistons. These pistons increase the engine's compression ratio for better performance. It's specifically designed for 1967 to 1985 Chevrolet small block 350 cubic inch V8 engines. This ensures a perfect fit. While mechanical skills are needed, it's designed for straightforward installation. You'll be back on the road in no time. This kit will give your engine a new lease on life. Get ready to experience the power and performance you've been craving. What we like. This kit offers superior components for a powerful and durable engine rebuild. The inclusion of all necessary parts simplifies the process. If you desire maximum performance and are willing to invest in premium parts, this kit is your best bet. What people say. Using to rebuild a Chevy 350. Good customer support. Number 2. Master Engine Kit 86 to 92 Chevy SBC. This kit is perfect for rebuilding your 86 to 92 Chevrolet SBC 355.7L V8 engine. It's designed to give you a powerful and reliable engine. It includes a Stage 2 high-performance camshaft. This will significantly improve your engine's horsepower and torque. The kit also features flat-top pistons. These pistons increase the engine's compression ratio, leading to more power. This kit is engineered to deliver increased horsepower and torque. It's a great choice for those looking to upgrade their engine's performance. While mechanical skills are needed, it's designed for straightforward installation. Detailed instructions are included to guide you through the process. With this kit, you can restore your engine to its former glory and even improve its performance. Get ready to experience the thrill of a powerful engine. What we like. It offers a comprehensive set of high-quality components for a reliable engine rebuild. The kit includes everything you need for a smooth and efficient process. If you need a balance of performance and value for your 86 to 92 Chevy SBC 350, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Everything came as described. All the parts were good. Great kit. Number 1. Master Engine Kit SBC GM 350. This kit is your solution for restoring your engine to its former glory. It's designed for a perfect fit and reliable performance. It's compatible with a wide range of Chevrolet vehicles. Make sure it's the right fit for your classic truck or car. This kit provides everything you need for a complete rebuild. We use only high-quality components for lasting results. It includes all the essential parts for a successful rebuild. You'll find everything you need in one convenient package. The kit comes with clear and concise instructions. Even if you're a beginner, you'll find this kit easy to use. With this kit, you can bring your engine back to life. Enjoy the power and reliability of a fully restored engine. What we like. This kit provides a comprehensive solution for rebuilding your classic Chevy small block V8 engine. Its compatibility with various models makes it a versatile option. If you own a 1967 to 1985 Chevrolet SBC GM 350 and need a reliable rebuild kit, this is the one for you. What people say. Set as pictured. Good kit and products for the money. Would recommend a rubber oil pan gasket instead of cork for longevity. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.